You are welcome back to my channel, Master Barbers Hotel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now before we go. Subscribe to my channel. This stream you are watching, look under by the right hand side, you will see where they write StepBYstep-TRAINING. Subscribe in capital letter. Use your finger to press. It will now change to subscribe, which means you are subscribed to my channel. Press the notification button as soon as I release my video or my videos to my YouTube channel. You'll be the number one to see my video. Can you see this clipper? This is cordless clipper. Can you see the socket? Can you see it? You see the blade? Yeah, this is the upper blade. Can you see it? This is the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the whole clipper? You see it? Yeah, I want to do tutorial on how to sharpen GTS. Let me show you GTS clipper blade. Can you see it? GTS clipper blade. Cordless clipper. How to sharpen this clipper blade? Yeah, many barbers, stylists, proprietors, or those people that buy their own clipper privately using it, they are calling me from different type of countries, saying that after using the original blade that follow this clipper come, to resharpen it is a problem, unless to buy another new clipper blade put. I say there's no problem. If you buy another one, it's okay, but the one you have used dull, I want to teach you the way you can resharpen it back, yeah, to regain exactly the way the machine was working newly, even better than the new one. Yeah, I will show you now the step by step you can take in sharpening GTS cordless clipper blade. Can you see? This is the blade. Can you see how it is? You see it? This is the top. Can you see it? Yeah, I want to show you practically, step by step, to sharpen GTS clipper blade. I want to show you step by step. Yeah, can you see it? So let's go into the feed now. If you have not subscribed, once again, please subscribe to my channel before we go. This stream you are watching, look under by the right hand side, you will see where they write StepBYstep. Use your finger just to press. It will now change to subscribe. StepBYstep. Now press the notification button for you to receive my notification as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's go into the feed now, and I will show you to solve all the people's problem. Yeah, let's go now. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, the work I've just started now. I have removed the upper and the bottom clipper blade for the GTS cordless clipper. Yeah, I want to show you the way to sharpen. That small thing I've just shown you is biscuit bone. I use it to rub the surface of the super hard manual sharpening. So can you see the inner surface of the upper blade? Yeah, can you see I position it at an angle of 75 degrees. Can you see I started from the front? I'm now sharpening the back. Yeah, I want to clean. After the cleaning, I will now show you the inside, the inner part of the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. Can you see it now? Can you see the inner surface? Can you see the inner surface as shine across? Can you see it? The inner surface has been sharpened correctly. Now I'm preparing for the bottom clipper blade. I'm using biscuit bone again to rub the inner surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Can you see it? I'm now putting the treatment. I want to sharpen the bottom clipper blade. Yeah, can you see the inner surface before? Yes, I want to sharpen it now. I'm starting from the back. This tutorial now is to show you how to sharpen GTS cordless clipper blade, so that at the end of the day you will gain the sharpening back, the original sharpening that follow the clipper come, or better than the one that follow it come. The process you will take step by step in sharpening GTS cordless clipper blade. That is what we are now. Now follow this tutorial very well. I have sharpened the upper clipper blade. I have cleaned it and checked. I have now sharpened the bottom clipper blade. Now I have cleaned it and checked again. Can you see everything has shine across for the upper blade, for the bottom clipper blade? And now I want to test. I now put the upper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade using freehand testing styling method. Freehand testing styling method to confirm whether the upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade are sharpened correctly. Yeah, when you watch the way I'm doing it, it seems as if the clipper blade is mounted on the clipper engine. Can you see the way I'm doing it as if it is running? Now I will now open, at the end of this testing, I will now open the upper and the bottom clipper blade and check the inside. When you see carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side for the inner part of the upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means the sharpening the clipper blade, the upper and the bottom clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. When you test, when you mount on the clipper and you now test, it will work fine. Now let me tell you where the mistake used to come. I have sharpened this clipper blade finish now. Some people do mistake, they will now fix this clipper blade on the GTS cordless clipper. It is wrong. Yeah, it is wrong. You will use after removing the tape, you clean it, you now mount it on the clipper using the wire. Can you see this clipper now? This one is using wire, this one is with wire. The cord is powerful than that of GTS cordless clipper. You now mount, I have removed this one blade, the one with wire, I have removed the blade, and now mount the cordless clipper blade on top. I'm now running it now. Can you see it? I have put the clipper on together with the GTS blade clipper blade. Can you see it now? I'm running it. After this running now, after treatment, I will now test. I will use this one to do everything. The one with wire, the one can use generator and NEPA. The white one is more, the coil of this one is more powerful than that of the GTS cordless clipper. Yeah, I will use this one to do everything, to run it, to treat it, to test it. After it has been working correctly, I will now remove it again, remount it on the GTS clipper engine, now retest again. That is how they used to do it, or that is how I used to do it in my own studio. So that after testing, after every you now mount it on the cordless clipper engine, it will work fine. Now I have run it, now I've treated it. I now want to, I'm now putting oil for me to test whether the clipper blade is sharpening correctly, is not sharpening correctly. Let us go and take the mass of air. Now I'm giving it 100% gap, 0% gap. I'm using this system now to make sure the upper and the bottom clipper blade run together, work together finally. Yeah, can you see the way I pack the mass of air? And I want to test. And now I want to take. Can you see the way the clipper blade is cutting the hair now in the mouth of the one with the wire? Can you see the wire at the bottom? Yeah, after testing it like this and you confirm it is okay, you now remove the upper and the bottom clipper blade again and remount. You clean it again. After cleaning, you now remount it on the engine of the cordless GTS clipper. After remounting, you treat it in the normal process. You now retest again. After retesting, it will now give you normal work. That is how to sharpen GTS cordless clipper blade in a professional way. That is the way I sharpen it in my own studio. No error, no mistake. Yeah, now be watching. Be watching. Now I want to remount the clipper blade I have just tested on the one with the wire. That is super tapper electric clipper. I've just tested it now. I've removed the blade now. I want to remount it. I've mounted it now on the GTS cordless clipper. I'm now putting treatment in the mouth. After putting the treatment, I will now test it. Now after testing, we now see whether it will work or it will not work. But so far it has worked in the mouth of the super tapper. Yeah, surely it's going to work here. But at times when you sharpen your clipper blade finish and you mount it straight on the cordless, many doesn't use to work. Many blade doesn't use to work, or they may work partially. It may not work fine. You may not get perfection job in that one. So that is why I follow this process in my own. Can you see it now? Can you see the way this one is even better than that super tapper? Can you see the way it's very, very sharp? Can you see? That is the normal and the correct road to follow if you want to achieve better sharpening in sharpening of the GTS cordless clipper blade. Can you see it? I've tested it in all directions, zero gap, between zero gap to 100% gap. So I've tested it now, it's working fine. Surely it can do all type of barber works in the barbing studio or outside the barbing studio. Can you see it now? See the way the clipper blade is working. That is how to test. Yeah, can you see it again? See the way I pack the mass of hair plenty to confirm whether the clipper blade is sharpening correctly or it's not sharpening correctly. This one is live. You are seeing it now. That is the way to sharpen the GTS cordless clipper blade. Now after this one now, I will now sharpen the extra blade. Yeah, there's one extra blade for this one. After I've sharpened the original blade in the mouth, I now sharpen the extra blade again. I've tested it now, cleaning the clipper blade. Cleaning the clipper blade together with the clipper. Can you see it now? Can you see? So I'm using duster to clean everything up now. Now applying the oil. When you do everything finished, you now apply the oil, so that if you don't use it now, you keep it for long period of time, the clipper teeth, the upper and the bottom clipper teeth will not rust. That is the meaning. Can you see it now? Yeah, it has been sharpened correctly. That is the way and the normal road I normally follow in my own studio, Master Barber's Hotel. How I sharpen cordless GTS cordless clipper blades. Can you see it? After you put the oil, you now hold it like a minute or two, just for the treatment to lubricate the inner part of the clipper blade very well. Now I want to sharpen the extra blade. Can you see the extra blade to the GTS clipper? Yeah, I want to sharpen the extra one now. Yeah, it comes with two blades, one in the mouth, one as an extra. So I want to sharpen it. Try to follow this one step by step. It won't take much time. Yeah, I'm putting the treatment on the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Normal. I've cleaned the super hard manual sharpening stone. After cleaning, then I apply the treatment. After the applying of the treatment, I now want to sharpen the clipper blade now, one by one.